Hi everyone, I am Badachi. Today I am going to discuss the finite verbs which we use while speaking and writing. Dear students, first of all let's know what's finite verb. See here, a verb which comes immediately after the subject is called a finite verb. Once again, you please read the definition of finite verb. A verb which comes immediately after the subject is called a finite verb. Now, one question comes to our mind. What are the verbs which come immediately after the subject? Yes, I will give you some easy and interesting ways through which you can easily recognize and understand the finite verbs when they are used in sentences. In which the first one is all the D verbs in English are finite verbs. Okay, what I told, all the D verbs in English are considered finite verbs. What are the D verbs? D verbs are am, is, are, was, and verb. See, am, is, are, was, and verb. These are called finite verbs in English. Okay. Secondly, please remember, all the do verbs in English are also finite verbs. Then, what are the be verbs? Students, be verbs are three in number. They are do, does, and did. Okay, I hope you know that do, does, and did are used when you want to change the sentence into negatives and in questions. Got it? Then, third point, all the have verbs are also finite verbs. Then what are the have verbs? Let's see here. Have verbs. Dear students, have verbs are also three in number. They are have, has, and had. Got it? These are finite verbs. And the fourth point is, dear students, all the modals, modal auxiliaries, are also considered as finite verbs in English. Please remember, modal auxiliaries. What are the modal auxiliaries in English? Please remember, shall, should, will, would, then, can, could, then, may, might, must, etc. These are all modal auxiliaries. Please remember, even the modal auxiliaries are considered as finite verbs in English. Okay. Then, at last, we can see in English main verbs. Some main verbs in English are also considered as finite verbs. Main verbs like, for example, in which original forms are called base forms or root forms or weakened. For example, you see go, come, teach, etc. Okay? These are original form of the main verbs. Secondly, the S forms are also used as finite verbs in English. What are the S forms? You please think here. Go, its S form is goes. Come, its S form is comes. Got it? And teach, its S form is teaches. Okay, etc. Then even past form PF. If the main verb is used in PF means past form. All the past forms are used in simple past tense. You know it. For example, when you think of the past form of the word go, it's went. Okay? Went. Come, its past form is, can you think? It's came. Okay? And teach, its past form is, of course, it's taught. T-A-U-G-S-T, taught. I hope it's clear. So far we came to know that what are the verbs which come immediately after the subject in English. First of all, you came to know that all the be verbs are placed after the subject. The be verbs are am, is, are, was and were. And all the do verbs are finite verbs in English. The do verbs are do, does and did. And the have verbs. Have verbs are finite verbs. What are the have verbs? Have, has and had. And modal auxiliaries. What are the modal auxiliaries? See, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might and must. Even used to, ought to, need, may. They are also modal auxiliaries. See, last but not the least, main verbs in English. Even main verbs like original forms, yes forms and past forms. These are also used as finite verbs in English. The thing is that, please remember how to recognize, how to understand the finite verbs in English. A word which comes immediately after the subject, we have to understand that word is finite. After seeing all these words, what did you understand? All the helping verbs in English are finite verbs. And the main verbs like original form, yes form and past form, which occur, which come immediately after the subject. Therefore, we call them finite verbs. I hope it's clear. And while using these helping verbs, you know that helping verbs should agree with the number and person of the subject. If the subject is singular, the singular helping verb is used. Singular verb is used. Okay? If the subject is plural, plural verb is used. It's clear, easy and very interesting. I hope it's clear. And now, let us see some examples where these words are used. Shall we see some examples? Yes, come on. Okay. Are you ready? Let's see some examples. Example number 1, in which I would like to say that I am trying to get a book. I am trying to get a book. I am trying to get a book. Here in this sentence, the word I is subject. Am is helping verb. Okay? You know that a verb which comes immediately after the subject is known as a finite verb. Got it? So, I am. Here am is finite verb. Secondly, please say Jagdish. Jagdish was in Mysore. Jagdish was in Mysore yesterday. See once again, Jagdish was in Mysore yesterday. Jagdish was in Mysore yesterday. Jagdish was in Mysore yesterday. Here, Jagdish is subject and here was is helping verb. The word which comes after the subject, you know that is a finite verb. Therefore, we would like to say was here is a finite verb. Okay? Third example. They don't know how to open it. 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 Got it? Here, they is the subject and do. Do is a verb which has come immediately after the subject. So, do is known as finite verb. Understand? Then, please remember, next example, Rajni didn't call Aparna. Rajni didn't call Aparna. Rajni didn't call Aparna. Here, Rajni is subject and didn't did is helping verb. Okay? The word which comes immediately after the subject, this is a helping verb of course. But here, did is known as finite verb. Okay? And fifth example, Vasant. Vasant has reached Bangalore. Vasant has reached Bangalore. Vasant has reached Bangalore. See here, in this sentence, Vasant is subject. And the word which has come after the subject is has. So, has in the sentence is finite verb. Is it clear? Next point, please say Shankar will meet Somo next time. See the sentence. Shankar will meet Somo next time. Shankar will meet Somo next time. Here in this sentence, Shankar is subject. Okay? And the helping verb which has come after the subject is will. So, will is known as finite verb. Is it clear? Then, please say Zora and Farzana. Zora and Farzana could attend the party See the example. Here in this sentence, Zora and Fazana, you know that they are the subjects. And the word which comes immediately after the subject is could. Therefore, we'd like to call the word could as finite verb. I hope it's clear. Next, you know that I am a teacher. I am an English teacher. So, I teach English. I teach you English. Got it? I teach you what? English. I teach you English. I teach you English. Here, I is subject. And the verb which has come immediately after the subject is teach. So, we should call the word teach a finite verb. Clear? Ha. Next, my friend Somu is also an English teacher. So, Somu teaches English. Somu teaches English. Clear? Here in this sentence, Somu is what? Subject. And teaches, what is teaches here? Teaches is main verb. So the word which comes immediately after the subject is a finite verb. Clear? So in this sentence, the word teaches is a finite verb. I hope it's clear. Last sentence. For Somo, for me, for Zora, for Fazana. Our teachers were all friends. Our teachers taught us English. See here. Our teachers taught. Our teachers taught us English. Clear? Here in this sentence, what's the subject? Our teachers, the subject. And what word has come after our teachers? The word taught. Then, what's the finite verb here? Taught, because it has come after the subject. I hope it's clear. Dear students, so far you came to know what are the finite verbs and how they are used in the sentences. I hope you understood the finite verbs easily and interestingly with the help of some examples. And I would like to thank you all for watching my video. And next time I will see you with a new video lesson on non-finite verbs. Bye.